Good morning, everyone. It is currently 6:47 on a Friday morning, 10th of October. Today's video is going to be more of a tutorial than anything. I am here to measure both sides of my greenhouse, and you can see what has transpired. I'm saving up to get material to cover this the right way. Hopefully I can get it done before December. So then we have 44 inches, and on this side it's way more than 44. I know it is, but yeah, 48 probably what I need. This video, one of my viewers has mentioned that, hey, we would like to actually do this if we had a chance. How do you go about choosing what pallets to use? What are the differences and such? So in this video, I'm going to explain just that. I'm on my way to pick up 2 types, I think, maybe 3, hopefully 3, and from there I can use those pallets and give a full tutorial explaining the different types, the ones you want to use, the ones you don't want to use, and so forth. So let me hop in my 4 wheels of transportation and go pick these pallets up. I picked up this longer pallet from the UPS store, and the reason being, it is all wide pieces. The stringers look like actual 2x4s. I think they are. So it's sturdy. Now for this video, I'm gonna make something fancy. I'm gonna attempt making something like this, similar, but I'm going all out fancy, which is going to require me to use actual pressure treated lumber that I had left over from the pool deck. I have a couple 2x6s and 2x8s laying around. I'm going to use this along with pressure treated wood I have to make this garden tool rack. Yes, instead of making a pallet planter box, I'm going to make a garden tool rack utilizing the proper pallets. Alright, same rule applies. You could use the blue pallets for this, but you're not supposed to use those pallets. If it's not for storage, that's it. They're mainly for storage. Look it up online. Blue and red pallets are only for storage, and if not used, need to be returned to their owners. They have owners, just let you guys know. So I'm gonna use these HT pallets and make a garden tool rack. And as you've seen in the previous video, I made terraced planter boxes out of the same HT. What's wrong with my camera? Hold on. All right, that's a little better. I used the all HT boxes, the heat treated, to make those planter boxes. All right. So if you didn't pay attention to that video, go back, check it out again, skip through where you need to. But in this video, using a heat-treated pallets, we're gonna make a garden tool rack. It is starting to take shape. These legs are gonna sit right where they are. What I will do, however, is cut that off so it's kind of rounded and not sharp, because I will be the one to put my shin into it. Cut these pieces off the same way. As you can see, this shelf here is going to come out to about, I'm going to come out one more board, and then come up to here right below this one and do the same thing coming out. So I need to get, so I'm going to have to cut this off further inside for the piece, the upright piece that's going to join into here. It's going to be on the outside. Put another 3 on top of that, and that's where the hole saw comes in. So all my tools, they will have a place. And on the sides, I will have hooks for pickaxe. I have a large, if you want to call it, gravel rake. Probably going to hang that on the back of it. Sledgehammer, shovels, regular rakes, all that will go on the shelves up front. And then what I might do is take these, close this gap, bring them closer, and hang like little garden shovels, bed tillers, stuff like that. This project is throwing me for a loop because I have to be very careful. I'm not saying I'm gonna be fancy with it, but I want it to be right. Not perfect, I just want it to be right. And when I'm done with it, I'm done with it. No adding, nothing like that. So, you're along for the ride. Stay tuned.